Hey everyone, it's Alexis from Laugh Eat Learn, and today I'm going to show you how to organize your Gmail. As you can see in mine, it's nicely organized, color-coded, and I'm using stars and the labels through Gmail. I'm also using multiple inboxes, and I'll show you exactly how to get all this set up. So here's my email address that's unorganized. I do have stars enabled, so I will show you how to do that so you can color code your emails. Go ahead to the screw and to settings. And then under the general tab, you're going to go down to stars. Here's where you can choose what colors you want to use. You can drag the ones you don't want to the bottom, or you can just click the options above. I like to use all the stars just to have some options. Go to the bottom, click Save. I can't do it on mine. Here you'll see all your stars lined up. To choose a star, you have to shuffle through them just by clicking. So if you want a red, you just click until you see red. If you want it blank, you will click until you see the blank star. Okay, so we are going to go back to settings and make sure that our inbox is set to default. It's very important to have it on default for everything to work correctly. So go to the inbox tab, make sure it's default, and click Save. So now that everything is organized there, we're going to enable the multiple inboxes. Go back to settings. Go to labs. And then in the search box, you're going to start typing multiple. It should pop up multiple inboxes. You want to click enable and save. Now you'll see your inbox on the left, and then on the right it should be a blank space. This means it's on its way to working. Go back to settings. Now you should have a tab labeled multiple inboxes. Click that. And this is where you're going to customize it for you. Depending on the emails that you want to sort, and the colors that you chose for your stars, you're going to type it into this first box. So has and a colon, has colon. For mine, I have a green, a red, a blue, and a purple question mark. So my green is going to be green dash star, and then I can put a title that links it up with that. And I'm just going to continue through. The first panel is going to be your 0, and then it goes in that order. So if you want a certain color first, put that in the first box. All the stars are like normal, just a color dash star. And then for the question marks and those other options that you have, it will either be the color dash and what it is. And what I've gone and done is provided you with a little cheat sheet. Pause it now so you can work on it at the same time. All of them have has and then the color. Okay, so I made my choices. I added in my titles. I'm ready to go. Your next option that you can choose is how many you want to see. Now, the default is 9. I know that I have more emails than that in each category, so I'm going to change this to a higher number. It can be any number that you want. So now we're going to talk about positioning. This is going to be where your inboxes are going to be that you've created. You can do it on the right side of your email, so that will be on that side, or above your inbox, or below your inbox. And your inbox is going to be your new emails that are not labeled. I like it on the right, but I'm going to show you above the inbox. Click Save Changes. And then you will go ahead and see that everything is nice and neat and color coded. All of your tabs that you just created. If you scroll down, you will see your inbox. Now I want you to take notice that your settings is only linked to your inbox, not to your different tabs. Go ahead and click settings if you want to change it. I'm going to change mine back to the right side. I like the separation of it, but it's totally up to you what works best for you. Go ahead and click Save Changes, and then you will see your inbox. Now what I want you to notice is now you have your inbox, and then you have your stars and your multiple inboxes, but you will see duplicates, so let's fix that problem. Okay, so now we're going to create labels to match the stars that we've already set up and the multiple inboxes. You're going to click More on the left side and click Create New Label. A pop-up will come up, and this is where you're going to put the titles that you had put on your multiple inbox panels. You're going to just match the same things up. So I have a design waitlist, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to nest it under my Laugh Eat Learn Designs tab that I've already created. And then click Create. And then on the left side, you'll see that it will be listed under that label that I've already created. This just helps me be a little more organized. I'm going to add one more in there, Designs in Progress. And again, I'm going to nest it under. You don't have to nest it. You can just make your own, but this is how I like to be a little more organized. Click Create. Oh, I just noticed that I doubled up, so that's an easy fix. Click that little arrow, go to Edit, and I'm going to make that change to questions. And then I'm going to keep the nesting the same and click Save. Now I'll have all of my options that I've already set up with my multiple inboxes. Now I can color code it to match the stars. Click that arrow, go to Label Color, and you have tons of options here that they've already preset for you, or you can go to Add Custom Color and do it the way that you want to do, which is what I'm going to do. I'm going to go ahead and click Add Custom Color. You can see the background, choose it, and the preview is above. I'm going to use white to pop it, and then click Apply. You can go through and do all of yours that you've done. I matched mine to the stars that I originally chose in multiple inboxes. So my designs in progress were the green star, my questions are going to be the purple, small designs is blue, and waitlist is red. So I'm going to go ahead and do the rest of these. And poof, it should be done. I'm back at my inbox now, and now I'm going to label my stars so they fit only in my multiple inbox side, not my inbox. So go ahead and select the ones that you want. Go to the Move To button at the top, and then select which one it links up to. And then that should move it and take it out of your inbox so it's not cluttered anymore or duplicated. Here's my blue ones, Move To. These are my small designs, so I'm going to go ahead and click that. And I'm just going to keep working on this. Once you get a system down, it'll be a lot faster for you. So now you can see that my inbox is clean. I have my labeled emails in a system, color-coded. When I get a new email, it will pop back to the inbox and duplicate itself, but once you check it, or you can move it, it will do that for you back in your labeled section. You can go on the left side and click if you want to just see that certain email on your full screen. But pretty much that's how you get an organized Gmail account. I hope that all makes sense, and thank you for watching How to Organize Your Gmail by Alexis from Laugh Eat Learn.